So, uh, good morning, traders, and welcome to today, the 8th of November 2024. And sorry, I am not really close to where my computers are, and I just made a little journey, and I'm going to be analyzing and trading the market from my mobile phone. Yeah, so it wasn't a planned journey, though. It just came up, and I had to leave with just mobile phones. Didn't plan to stay long, but some things came up, and I think I might have to stay here and sort things out before I return to my base. So, anyways, still with my mobile phone or just from my mobile phone, I can still analyze the market and trade successfully, profitably, because I already know what the market looks like and how they behave. Not telling you here or claiming that I am a guru, but just letting you know that if you understand market structure and behavior, you can always analyze from anything. Even though analyzing from phone sometimes feel very uncomfortable. But yeah, we still do it though. Anyways, before I move on, I am just going to remind you of this disclaimer that I am not making trade calls for you. Everything I say here are strictly my own opinion and how I trade and analyze the market. So this video actually is meant for you to look into it and reconsider your thoughts process and your analysis in the market, and as a guide to help you make better decisions, not really a financial advice. If you need the services of a financial advisor, you can always get one for yourself because I am not certified. All right, so now that I have said that, let us begin. So we might want to go to gold. So let's go to gold. Now, mind me, my mobile is now my computer at the moment. So gold, here is what to look out for on gold. You see, if gold should anyway, let me expand first so you see. So if gold should go back up here, form a correction here, comes back down here, does this, you can buy it, because this right here will be a confirmation that it is still going up, that we are still getting this move. And here is something else you need to also note. If gold should also do this right here, if gold should do this right here, stays somewhere right on this low and forms a flag, consider selling it, because this move might just be this. Let me show you so you don't let me show you. Sorry about that, because this move can just be a completion of this. It could just be a completion of this. So we could be looking at something like this to go down some more. And if we are looking at something like that to go down some more, it means that we will have to reconsider this analysis, because as you can see, it's still kept open. So we'll have to reconsider it and maybe bring this back here, making this right here the top, making here the top. So let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Let's bring this here. Let's see how it goes. So now you know what to look out for on gold. So I think this might just take quite some time because I am on mobile. So I'll just look at the trades you should be looking out for, the instruments you should be looking out for to see if you can have a possible trade opportunities on them. But anyone that I think might look confusing or complex to you, I'll just keep it. So let's go to silver. So silver, remember I told you yesterday that we might be going for this move here. That we might be going for this move any moment from now. So I think we are getting that. So if you get a correction here, just like gold as well, if you get a correction here, that's if you trade silver though. If you get a correction here, if this moves up, comes down, if you get that correction, you can consider to buy one more, just one more, because after that it's going to do this, right? So that is it for silver. And we can go to US oil next. Let's go to US oil. So it's been correcting, and I think whatever happening here is still going to either go up some more or forms a correction. So here is what you look out for. This might do this. So watch this when it breaks out from here. On the 15 minutes, if this breaks out from here, if it breaks out, anything that makes it break out and makes a correction, consider buying it to break the top one more. Other than that, allow this to make a flag here. Allow it to make a flag here, and you can consider selling it. This is because we have already broken this top. As you can see, we already broke that top, right? As you can see, we already broke that. So that could be enough, and price is just coming down. And if you follow me well enough, you can remember I told you we most likely were going for this move. That we most likely were going for this move, sorry. This one right here. This one right here. I told you, right, that we most likely are going for it, for this. And we also have this option left. We also have this option left, which is this one right here. We also have this option left, so we could still have this as all the correction, and this is a low, and we are just going up for this. Okay, so we might be getting something like that. So that is another thing to consider. So these are the variables or the variations or the possibilities of what could happen. But I don't know how well you know about market structure. Sorry, but someone like me, once everything starts changing, I would always recognize it early enough. So those are the things you need to look out for. But don't bother yourself about all these moves on the bigger structure. The key thing to look out for is if that informs a flag for downward continuation, or if it forms a flat for upward continuation. Those are the things you need to look out for. Those are the things you need to look out for. So keep your eye on this one. Keep your eye on this one. It could go up one more. You never can tell. Just keep your eye on it. So let's go to which other one? Euro USD. So remember I told you, let's go to the 1 hour. If you watched my video yesterday, I told you this move right here could be going up. I told you it could be forming this, and after this it could just go up, or it could fall short and come back and then make everything here a correction to go back down, right? Make everything here a correction to go back down, so it's taking one of those forms. It broke here, it went up quite some more. It's forming a consolidation there. So once everything becomes clear here, let's go to the 15 minutes. So for this consolidation, it has made this move. It's now on this. This will go up. Most likely it will. And we'll see something like this form. So once you see this, consider buying it. Yeah, consider buying it for some more moves up. That's it for USD, Euro USD, sorry. And another option is that this is all the correction. Sorry. Another option is that this right here is all the correction. This right here. And this is just a deep pullback to go break the top. So you can do well to try catch this. And once it breaks this top, you can take your profit, because this move coming down might just be a total downside instead of coming for this. I don't know if you can get what I meant. So if it's coming down, you can also sell it, because remember the general trend right here on Euro USD is downwards. So that's it for Euro USD. And I think similar thing will be on GBP USD. Let's take a look. GBP USD. Yeah, similar thing. So you know what to do, right? And this one yesterday, remember I told you also that you're going to get this move. Oh, sorry about that. Told you were going. That's the headache of analyzing the market with my phone. Told you were going to get this pullback, and after that, this may happen, or this may be all the move, and this pullback will come back for this, go back one more, form this right here, and come down. So it happens that we got the pullback, we got the move up, we're forming a correction after breaking this stop. So which means this whole thing right here might finish and still go back up. So keep your eye on that one. Okay, keep your eyes on it. Keep your eyes on it. You might get some good trades there. I think I should just rush quickly and show you the things you should trade and the ones you should leave, because of course you can see this one is forming this right here. It's forming 1, 2, 3, and after that we'll get this pullback, which is this coming down. We'll get it, and after that you can consider buying this. So that is it for NZD USD. Let's go to AUD USD. Might be doing similar things, so you know what to look out for, right? Now what you need to understand is that AUD USD has already broken the top. And if you watched my analysis yesterday, I told you for yesterday and day before yesterday, I told you that we could be having this move up. That we could be having this move go up. This one. That we could be getting this move because of how everything happened here, where we had this and the pullback didn't break the low, and we had this consolidation looking upwards, and then we broke it down below. So we could be having this move up. I said it, and we had it, even though I didn't expect it to go this much before it comes down. But here is the thing: whatever is happening here, this is the 15 minutes, right? Whatever is happening here might not really go far. But I know if the market is changing, I will figure it out. But I don't know about you, though. So leave whatever is happening here to finish, and you can buy some more, but buy with caution. Yeah, and make sure you do your due diligence and further analysis before you jump into the trades. USD card. So this one said it's going to pull back, and here are two possibilities. It's either USD card is forming something here that will come back here before it goes, or this is just a pullback and it goes. So here is what to look out for. Here's what to look out for, and the possibilities. Here's number one possibility. It will form a correction here. Number one possibility to form a correction here. Now that it's broken out of this line, it will form a correction here and continue going, making this all the correction. That's the first option. The second option is that whatever is happening here is a part of this, and we just had a 1 2 3, and we'll come back some more. So keep your eyes on this one. However it happens, I think you should know what to do, right? Wait for that confirmation to happen before you jump into the trades. Before you jump into the trades, I would really love it to make that consolidation here. Would really love it to make that consolidation here, so I can buy it. But anyways, we'll keep an eye on it. USDJPY. Okay, so it ended up becoming this right here, which I am still leaving open, even though I had those lines there. I'm still leaving this option open just in case this is this and we're going back up. I'm still leaving it open. This is the top though, but I'm leaving that option open. But here is the thing to look out for. First is for this to go to that trend line, and then if it breaks out and makes a correction, you can consider buying it. I don't know if you got what I mean. Let me show you. First option. First option. Oh, come on. All right, so first option is that this get out. All right, sorry about that. It's so much delay just on my mobile. First option is that this will go up, break out, and continue. That's the first option. And then we'll go up. If it breaks out, it will make a consolidation or a correction before it continues. That's the first option. The second option is that this is just a move to complete this flat. Like this is just a move to complete this flat, and after that, we'll still come back down. So if that is the case, then this right here might just be all we get for that correction. If that is the case, then this right here might just be all we get for that correction, and this is the top. And then this move is coming for this arrow here, this one. I'll show you in a moment. Hold on. I'll show you in a moment. Show you in a moment. So I think I should also leave this here for you guys just in case forms a correction and goes. So let me go to the 4 hours. So if it's moving to complete the flat there, then it will come for this move most likely. You see that arrow there? See those two arrows? This and this. So we haven't really gotten that move, and I think we might just be getting it right now. And if you look at my previous 2-day recordings, and I said this might form something that looks like an expanding flat here, but it will use it to complete this. So if you go look at my videos, if you go watch my analysis, you would understand why I said that. So look out for the moves. At least you know what to look for, and if they happen, you can do your thing. USD CHF. So this one I think is going to form this correction, which I am no longer seeing as that. So I'll put this across here because this looks like an impulse that started very slowly and is going to go up some more. So you might just want to stay away from this one because it might do something you may not understand right here. It might just do something you won't understand right here. But of course, I know this might do this. It might come down. It might do this, complete this, and might go. And afterwards, we'll get this. So, but just stay away from it. Stay away because you might just end up getting confused. All right, stay away from it. Stay away from it. Stay away from this one. All right, just do the ones that are very clear to you. Things you can see clearly, you go for them. Not these ones because you might end up getting confused. So let's go to GBP JPY. Okay, I am on this trade. I'm also on it on my account. Yeah, and I think that should be in profit. So it's a 1 to 10 trades, 1 to 10 RR, risk to reward. So I'm expecting a correction right here. I'm expecting a correction right here, but I want it to move away a bit before it forms that correction. I'm expecting a correction right here. Expecting a correction right here, but I want it to move out a bit before it forms a correction. So I'll put my stop loss to break even, so making it a risk-free trade already. That's what I'm looking for. So GBP JPY, please go up some more, please. All right, so that is it for GBP JPY, and this is the trade you are looking for, or I am looking for. Let me show you the bigger picture. I am looking for this path. I am looking for, no, come on. I am looking for this move. Maybe break the line. Might take profit, I mean, and I'm looking for this. You can see that, right? Let's go to 1 hour so you see clearly. Yeah, you can see that. You can see, right? And of course, if you've seen my videos many times, you know why that is like that, right? Anyways, that is for GBP JPY. Let's go to GBP AUD. Okay, so here is the thing. If this forms a correction here, you might consider buying, even though it doesn't look like it is going up. Okay, it looks like we are still in this correction. Yeah, this looks like we just completed a flat here. Looks like we just completed a flat here. And if you see a flag, you might consider that. All right, so wait for it. Wait for it. GBP card. Okay, this one is still doing some magic in here, and this could do this. It could do this. Come back here for this, and then go before it comes for this, because I still see this as a complete flat. As you see this 2 3 as a complete flat, so I'm just keeping my eyes on it, to see what happens. And I feel it should be going up. It should be going up. It should be going up. I feel it should be going up. I don't know what it is doing, but one thing you should bear in mind is that whatever happened here is the B wave of this 1 2 3 of this ABC. Yeah. So this is the B wave of the ABC. So after this completes, we're going to get this before we go back up. But I don't know how far this will go. Yeah, I don't know how far the B wave will go. So just you might just want to steer clear from this one until you see something you understand. All right. So GBPCHF. This one I am also expecting for these moves, but it's not giving me that. I'm expecting for these moves. So you might just want to steer clear from this one too, or do your own further analysis and see if you can trade. So let's jump on to AUD JPY, and for this, if this ends up becoming a correction here, then we'll sell further. But here is something to look out for. Just like GBP JPY, if it makes a flag here, I'll consider buying it for the top again. I'll consider buying it because this could still end up being an expanding flat for this. And if this is an expanding flat, this move will not go far if it breaks the top. It might just break it slightly, and we'll start seeing the falls. So keep your eye on this one as well. And if you can't figure it out, you better stay away from it. Okay? If you can figure it out, you stay away from it. Let's jump to, or again, I did the majors, right? Let's jump to Euro JPY, where it has been doing some wonders. All right, so it's finished. And if you've been watching my videos since, or if you've been following me, you would see that I analyzed these whole moves here. These whole moves, you see, I analyzed them and I told you I removed those arrows just a while ago, and this right here is now showing me that we could be doing this, making everything here the correction, or we could be going here. Let me move this. Let me move all of them. Sorry. Or we could be doing this. We could be falling short. Let me use this, which is for this move. And still coming down for this move. We could fall short. We could move for that, sorry, and still come down for this move. This one right here. Or you see it, and still come down for this move, which is this one. I hope you can understand me. So this is a possibility before we start moving up. So here is the thing. So I don't confuse you. So I don't confuse you. Could do this, still go up, or you could do this and go up from here, and go up from here. So now you know what to look out for, right? Yeah. So which other one should I? Euro GBP missed all the trades here because it didn't give me what I was looking for right here, or even from here. I missed this. The most missing I did here was this. I didn't put a pending order. And when I saw this coming down and formed a running flat there, I was like, okay, running flat in the middle, we're going to have a bigger running flat here before we go. So I thought we're going to have something like this before we go. So I can then take it from uh, so I can then take it from this stop somewhere around. Can then take it from somewhere around here. When it makes an impulse, makes a correction. But anyways, that is part of the game, and we we move on. We move. Which other one should I analyze? NZDJPY. Okay, it's going up. Let's see what it forms. If it forms a correction here, or if it goes up to break the top again. Here is what I am saying. Let's see if it forms a correction here for continuation, or if it forms a flag here to break the top again. So keep your eye on that one. We'll figure out which one it is very soon. And for NZD, we are coming for this move. And if you've been following me, you can understand that this move is yet to come, and we may just be coming for that, or this thing might just go up, break the top again before it starts to calm down. And card CHFJPY, sorry. Yeah. So, okay, am I still on this? For a sell or a buy? Hold on. Okay, I close this from my account. Closed it. Let's go to the 15 and see what it's doing. Okay, it was for the sales. Close. It's going back up. So this right here could be this. Could be going to break the top again. And all we had here was this correction, a one, two, three, which is a two, and then a three, which is a one, two, and a three, and we could be going back up to break the top again. So keep your eyes on this one as well. Keep your eyes on it, because if we are going back up, it's going to be a huge move and a very good profit. So let's go to card JPY. Okay, so at least now you know what to look out for, right? And this one is the one that's looking like we are doing this right here. It's looking like we are doing this. So keep your eye on this, because this could form a correction and it could go a bit higher before we start seeing the downside, right? So keep your eye on this one, card CHF. Keep a very close eye on this one, because now that the market has broken this low right here, he has broken out of that trend line and is forming a consolidation down below. It could signify that we are going down some more. So keep your eye on this one. All right. Let's do some few indices. USD. Okay, you can stay away from this. There is no trade there, and this thing could stay there for the whole day. These two, it has gone quite far, so don't jump into the buys. You might just get hot. I would wait for an impulse to the downside, a correction to sell instead of buying it, unless it forms a bigger consolidation. I'll only buy US 30, NAS, and S&P 500 if they form a bigger consolidation. So I will know, yes, this is a sure bet to go up some more. Other than that, I am waiting for an impulse to the downside, a flag to sell. Cancel. Yeah. So German 30. Okay, this one did wonders. And it could be forming another flat here. This might just be another flat here. And if we get this, we'll get something like this here again, hopefully, before we continue our downward movement. So keep your eye on this one. And I think there is a buy trade setting up there, but most likely will not go far. I mean, you can see it, right? You can see it, right? This could end up being this, coming down for this and going back up, but might not go far, just like I said. So if you want to trade it, you trade with caution. UK 100, this one is still forming consolidation, and after that might still go down some more. And remember what I told you, if we have this consolidation here and go down some more, we might just be getting this. And after that we'll come down some more, right? So keep your eye on that one. Keep your eye on it. Keep your eyes on it. What other thing should we look for? Bitcoin has gone up quite some more. Yeah. And if you follow my analysis, you know I told you yesterday that this will complete. That this will complete whatever it's doing and it's going to go up. But the up move might not go far. I told you, I mentioned it, I can remember I did. The up move might not go far, so keep your eye on this one because that sales might be coming any moment from now. Right? I removed that because the sales might be coming any moment from now, and I feel Ethereum also went up some more. Yeah, it did, and the sales might just be coming up any moment from now. BNB, likewise, this. So we could end up having this to be a correction before we come down, or this could either be a B wave in the middle and finish what it's doing here, go up, come here, and then you know what, we go up some more. So just don't jump in, keep your eyes on it. Don't jump in, keep your eyes on it and see what it does. I think I should end the recording now. And sorry about the inconvenience, but I just had to do this update. All right. Trade carefully and make sure to watch to the end, like, subscribe, and leave your comments in the comment section below. Have a nice day.